2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And Ho, the builder good and long-time cooperation. Shandong Ming Hong Wood Machinery Company Limited.
8 feet, 3 by 6 feet, or customized. Controlled by infrared ray. High efficiency. Plywood sanding machine as light type and heavy type. Can be one head.
For cutting 4 edges of plywood, so all plywood size will be same and tightness. Its working way or semi-automatic. Only put plywood on machine. The saw machine will automatically trimming plywood edges. After finish trimming, machine will stacking plywood automatically.